Hey everybody, Jeff Kasmer, Forex trader with IML and a network marketer. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. So it looks like it's in the center. Maybe it's the other way. Nope. Nothing like starting a video like this. But anyway, hey, how's everybody doing? Hey, it's Monday, it's Columbus Day, and I have like a ton of stuff to go over. So I could do 10 videos today. There's so much stuff going on with IMarketsLive. But anyway, as I said, my name is Jeff Kasmer. I've been making money online for 18 years. And IMarketsLive is the #1 opportunity that I'm involved with. And it's by far one of the best companies that I've ever been involved with. And I've crossed my 1-year anniversary. And I'm really, really excited as we are trying to help as many people as we can. So if you're interested in getting on board, you can subscribe to my channel. You can comment, like it on Facebook. And then there's also a link below if you want to get on my newsletter. If you are interested in IMarketsLive, as I kind of get this out of my way on every video, we have a group where you can kind of test drive how good of our team is in IMarketsLive. And we have an 8-figure trader that is a member of our group. Right? So when you're considering IMarketsLive, and IMarketsLive, somebody has to sponsor you in. That's the way the company is set up. Our team is the best, #1. We also have the #1 recruiter, and that doesn't really necessarily mean something from somebody who's not interested in the network marketing component, but that also means that we are providing a ton of value outside of the IMarketsLive membership. So seriously consider that. We can get you inside of our group where you can take a peek, look at some of our videos. We also give a lot of extra training in our particular team group, but we have a specific group for prospective customers that our team's involved with, and you can take a look around. You can be in there 5 days or 6 months and then decide to become a member. Totally up to you. There's no time frame on it. So reach me on Facebook. Just friend me, send me a friend request, and I'll get you inside of our group, okay? Hey, today's quote, 4 words that kill success. I'll think about it. If I had a nickel for every time that I heard that over 18 years, I'd be sitting on a beach. But anyway, here's what I wanted to do today, and it is bad Facebook marketing. And I've done a few videos on this, so this kind of ties into more of the network marketing component. But such nonsense goes on Facebook when you're trying to market an opportunity, okay? So I kind of want to minimize this real quick, and I wanted to pull up a thread that I found. Okay, so this is a thread that I found, and of course I'm not calling this person out. In fact, I'll cover her name, even though it's too late, everybody can see it. So she has posted in a Facebook group about some sort of opportunity and has included 3 pictures, okay? So here is the problem I have. Sorry about that. I'm trying to kind of adjust my window here. There we go. Okay, so she posted 3 pictures of people, okay? Now, obviously because I'm in the network marketing component of IMarketsLive, I will peruse groups and just kind of see what's going on in some of the groups, as well as find ways to promote IMarketsLive. Any network marketer that's done any good business online realizes that just posting in Facebook groups isn't enough. You have to do other things. But it's not really the point of this particular video. The point of this particular video is that there are unscrupulous people out there, and I've posted a couple videos, but this person has posted a picture of this lady here in a garage. Okay, I quit my job today. Now here's the problem. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to really call her out, but this is a training purpose, okay? This person is not part of this opportunity, okay? So let me make that real clear. This person isn't that part of her opportunity that she's promoting, and I don't even know what part of her opportunity it is, okay? And people say how, and people reply and all that and get the information. And this person decides not to put a link and you need to say how, and you can send a message privately, and that's fine. I mean, that's not bad Facebook marketing itself. However, this person isn't part of this company, whatever company she's promoting. You know why? Because she's part of our team. That's why. She's part of our team at IMarketsLive. So she's not even a part of this opportunity. So I can't stand seeing some of this. Usually some of it I just ignore and just move on. So this particular time, I posted. And I just was honest. This lady in front of the garage door is not part of this opportunity. She's part of our team for another business. Remove her picture. So as you can see, I'm not promoting the company. I'm not saying, hey, reach me, I got a better opportunity. That's called hijacking somebody's post. And look at these people, okay? Look at these people who responded based on this ad. So, quite frankly, it's a fairly good ad. Other than 5,700 weekly, certainly a lot. These two people might be part of the opportunity, but this lady isn't. She's part of our IMarketsLive team who quit her job based on trading Forex, right? So I post this message. Now, this is what blows me away. Totally. Info, details. And of course, then I post again. Usually I don't do that. How about people read for read? Read! What are you so mesmerized by 5,700 in this image? And of course, imagery is a lot in marketing. Any type of marketing, not just online, Facebook, any of that. Any type of marketing. A good-looking burger on TV. Are you so blinded by that amount and the image that you just didn't read the post that I basically said this lady is not part of her group, is not part of her team? What is wrong with you people? Seriously. And then, so I came back because, you get the notifications if you post, then you get the notifications up here. And look at these people. And then I had to post one more time. Amazing. And no one gets it. I'm blown away. Okay, and then of course, here's another one. This is bad marketing as well, by the way. Okay, so you hijack her thread. So I'm defending her in this case. You hijack her thread and then just post some other opportunity. Okay, guess what? That person isn't doing very well at whatever business they're in. So I post 3 times. Now once in a while, I've seen this picture in other groups as well. It could be the same opportunity, but it's not in IMarketsLive. She's literally part of our team, okay? And yes, it's absolutely catches you off guard. It makes you want to give me that information. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. But are you reading? Do you read? Nothing. So I posted she's not part of the business and they just keep coming, okay? So, you caution at your own risk. Doesn't mean it's not a legitimate opportunity, so let me be clear. Doesn't mean that at all, okay? Doesn't mean it's not a good opportunity. Doesn't mean that she's not making $5,700 a week. None of that matters. Or the other 2 images are not accurate, that they quit their job based on this opportunity. Now, if you ask my opinion, no. My guess is all 3. Okay? And you know why? I'm going to tell you why. Because I've seen those 3 pictures together. So a marketer started it. Hey, let me grab this picture and posted it. And then others for that same program, okay, posted it as well. I'm blown away that there's so many good businesses out there, so many good opportunities out there. And that not even read the post. It blows me away. So I'm not going to comment anymore on it because, quite frankly, it's a waste of my time, right? So I'm too busy helping people, right? So that's kind of the purpose of this particular video, okay, is let's be smart out there. Whether you want to be part of IMarketsLive and on our specific team, you can pick any opportunity that you want. Or maybe you're already involved in an opportunity. Or you're doing well with another opportunity and you want to market. Don't do bad Facebook marketing. Don't misrepresent yourself. You always end up getting burned. Always, 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 always. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow, a month, 6 months, whatever. Okay? So that's the purpose of this video. I got a lot more stuff coming on, especially with IMarketsLive, because our team was rocking and rolling over the weekend. So I said at the beginning of this video, our team, if you want to get inside of our team, please reach me through my name on Facebook or YouTube or anything. There's all kinds of ways to reach me. I will get you inside of our group for prospective customers so that you can see some of the stuff that we actually provide outside of the membership of IMarketsLive. IMarketsLive just rolled out a new back office. They just rolled out a couple new tools to trade with. And just blown away. It is going to be a huge ending to 2018, and it's going to be a monster year for 2019. And I want to help as many people as possible. So reach me. You can get inside. Hey, if you like this video, if it provided value, please comment and like it. If you're interested in getting subscribing to my channel, I would love it. Our membership is rising. It is rising every single day. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in getting on board our newsletter, just in case maybe you're not ready for IMarketsLive, you want more information, there's a link down there to get on board. Till next time, take care.